Students at Baylor are still enjoying their winter break, but some changes are waiting when they return to class later this month. 25 News reporter Joe Lopez has more on the latest effort there on campus to combat COVID-19.
Hey Todd, the university announced that all students, faculty, and staff will be required to get a COVID-19 test on a weekly basis, which could leave many in quarantine throughout the spring semester. It's been a long winter break for Baylor University students.
I didn't travel very much. I came to Waco a little bit, but other than that, no.
In the fall, the pandemic forced new guidelines throughout campus, including mandatory face masks, social distancing, and at times virtual classes.
It's been interesting. My first year at Baylor, this is pretty much all I've ever known. However, I know some of the older kids didn't like it as much.
This spring semester, the university is implementing a new rule. All students, staff, and faculty will be required to get tested for COVID-19 on a weekly basis.
Right now, we want it to be that they're not only protecting themselves, but they are protecting the health and safety of their fellow students and faculty and staff and others on our campus and within the Waco community.
In collaboration with testing partners, the university is invested on testing over 22,000 people every week at several testing locations across campus, as well as mobile units for those off-site.
We do have clinical staff who are there to be able to watch and make sure that it is done correctly. Plus, we use a PCR test, and that is the gold standard for COVID testing.
The goal, to get a more accurate case number that they report on their online COVID-19 dashboard, but also to help open up the possibility of in-person events this spring.
Regular testing, along with mask wearing, physical distancing, hand washing, those will be the key to unlocking additional normalcy on our campus this semester.
Much like fall semester, if students don't cooperate with the new rules, they could face suspension or expulsion.
I'm okay with it. I know we had random testing last semester, but as long as we get to come back and we get in-person classes again, I'm willing to do it.
The first day of spring semester for Baylor University is January 19th, with weekly testing expected to begin some point later this month. Reporting in Waco, Joe Lopez, 25 News.
Now, if you're a student and you do test positive, you'll need to quarantine for 10 days. You also need to talk to professors and campus officials to let them know.